This is our annual fire department open house for Fire Prevention Week. We do live demonstrations on grease fires, extrication of cars. We force doors to show people how to open up commercial doors for here in the city. We got donuts and cider to the city. We got a lot of fire prevention handouts we give. We're handing out gun locks this year for proper gun safety, fire prevention literature, smoke detectors. It's just a great way for us to interact with the community, to show them what we do, how to use our tools, let them go through our trucks. We just love interacting with the community.